Okay, before we hit page 6, this very last question, I want to go back up to 8C because I started it, then apparently got distracted and did not finish it. What I got here was 1.38 times 10 to the negative 8. Okay, so in Excel, it's 1.38 e negative 8, which is the times 10 to the negative 8 part, which means a decimal with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, which is basically 0. So again, as our standard deviation gets smaller and we move things closer and closer in, that 270 is less and less likely. Now, not less and less likely for an individual, but keep in mind, this is a sample of 25. Okay, so that sample should be closer, the sample mean should be closer to the actual mean. So 9, we want to choose the correct statements about sampling distribution and the central limit theorem. Okay. 1, the average values of all of the samples are the same. That's not true. If every single sample we took had the same average, we would not need to worry about a sample distribution. And you can look at examples. If I choose 4 out of a group of 100 and I choose a different 4, chances that their mean is the same is unlikely, okay? So 2, regardless of the sample size, the shape of the sampling distribution is always the same. As the sample size gets larger, it becomes more normal. It's not always the same. 3, as the sample size is large enough, the shape of the sampling distribution becomes approximately normal. This is one that we want. 4, the mean of the sampling distribution is the same as the population mean. That's true as well. If we were to average all of the means for all of the samples, we'd basically get every single value in the population, however many sample number of times. So yeah, those means are going to be the same. The standard deviation of a sampling distribution is the same as the standard deviation of the population. No, we know it's the standard deviation of the population divided by the square root of the sample size. 6, as the sample size gets larger, the shape of the sampling distribution gets narrower. This is true. Larger samples give us a smaller standard deviation. More likely we are closer to the mean. And 7, if the distribution of a population is not normal, the shape of the sampling distribution never becomes normal, and that is also false. Okay. 10, describe we're not even going to worry about this. This is not something that you're going to have to worry about on the test. So that's it. That's the review done.